At the end of the video, you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and easily modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Starting a workshop business can be an exciting venture, but it requires careful planning and execution to ensure success. Whether you're passionate about woodworking, pottery, painting, or any other craft, turning your hobby into a profitable business requires a strategic approach. Here are 10 tips to help you kickstart your workshop business and thrive in a competitive market. 1. Define your niche. Identify your unique selling proposition and target audience. Determine what sets your workshops apart from others and focus on catering to a specific niche or demographic. 2. Develop a business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, pricing strategy, and marketing plan. A well-thought-out business plan will serve as a roadmap for your workshop's growth and success. 3. Invest in quality equipment. Invest in high-quality tools and equipment that are essential for your craft. Quality equipment not only enhances the quality of your workshops, but also reflects professionalism and reliability to your customers. 4. Create compelling workshop topics. Offer a variety of workshop topics that appeal to different skill levels and interests. Consider current trends, seasonal themes, and customer feedback when developing your workshop curriculum. 5. Set up a functional workspace. Create a conducive and organized workspace that promotes creativity and productivity. Ensure adequate lighting, ventilation, and safety measures to provide a comfortable environment for your participants. 6. Build an online presence. Establish a strong online presence through a professional website, social media profiles, and online marketplaces. Use digital marketing strategies to reach a wider audience and promote your workshops effectively. 7. Provide excellent customer service. Prioritize customer satisfaction by offering excellent customer service before, during, and after workshops. Address customer inquiries promptly, listen to feedback, and make improvements based on customer suggestions. 8. Network with other professionals. Build relationships with other professionals in your industry through networking events, workshops, and online forums. Collaborate with complementary businesses to expand your reach and attract new customers. 9. Offer flexible scheduling options. Accommodate different schedules and preferences by offering flexible scheduling options for your workshops. Consider offering evening, weekend, or custom/private workshops to cater to a wider audience. 10. Continuously improve and innovate. Stay updated on industry trends, techniques, and customer preferences. Continuously improve your workshop offerings, experiment with new ideas, and innovate to stay ahead of the competition. Conclusion. Starting a workshop business requires dedication, creativity, and strategic planning. By defining your niche, developing a solid business plan, investing in quality equipment, and providing excellent customer service, you can set yourself up for success in the workshop industry. With perseverance and a commitment to continuous improvement, your workshop business has the potential to thrive and become a rewarding venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached.